In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to check for plagiarism in Google Docs. It's a simple process, but I'll guide you through each step so you can master it without any hassle. First, you'll want to open Google Docs and have your document ready. Now look at the menu at the top of your screen and click on Extensions. This is where you'll be able to add tools that enhance the functionality of Google Docs. Once you click on Extensions, you'll see a drop-down menu. Here, you'll need to navigate to Add-ons and then click on Get Add-ons. This will open up a search bar. In the search bar, type in the word plagiarism. You'll see several add-ons appear that can help you with checking your text for plagiarism. Browse through the options and choose the one that suits your needs best. Once you've made your decision, go ahead and click Install. Keep in mind that installing a new add-on might require some approvals. It's just Google ensuring your privacy and security, so simply follow the prompts and give the necessary approvals. When the installation process is complete, click Done. For the purpose of this tutorial, I've already installed the needed add-ons, so there's no need for me to go through this installation again. If you finish this step, great. You're almost ready to start checking your work for plagiarism. Now that your add-on is installed, let's move on to using it. First, highlight the portion of text in your Google Doc that you want to check. Once your text is highlighted, return to the Extensions menu at the top of the screen. Under Extensions, you'll see the newly installed add-on listed there. Click on it to activate it. After clicking, the add-on will start working its magic. You'll notice it begins loading, and the tool will start checking the highlighted section of your text for any plagiarism. Depending on the length of the text and the add-on's features, this process may take a moment. While it is scanning, it's matching your text against a wide array of sources to ensure your content is original. Once the plagiarism check is complete, the add-on generally provides a report or some feedback, indicating whether any portions of the text are not original and need to be revised. And there you have it. That's how you check for plagiarism in Google Docs. With just a few clicks, you can ensure your work is original and free of any unintended duplications. Remember, using these tools is an excellent way to maintain integrity in your writing. Thank you for watching, and I hope you found this tutorial helpful.